Hey, my name's Tony. I had LeafFilter system installed on my house about a month and a half ago, and I just want to sing their praises. Too often, people only contact the company to complain, and I am a firm believer that if someone does a good job and it's good work, that you should also get in touch and let them know. So that's why I'm making this video. From start to finish, from the fellow that contacted me first, the salesman, to the guy that installed it, it was a completely wonderful process, very friendly. The workmanship was great, and the best part is I'm 50 years old. I don't have to climb up on a ladder and clean out my gutters anymore. I was so excited. I have huge oak trees all around my house. Went out the last couple weeks and raked and blew leaves and didn't have to fool with a single leaf on my roof. That was awesome. In my 20s, wasn't such a problem, but in my 50s, don't really want to be up on the roof. But you can't go wrong going with these guys. It is a great company. And again, great value.